Hey Ninjas, I'm making another video for you, so it's all by myself, yeah. My brother's not here. He doesn't want to be in the video. He has to do homework, so that's bad. So, it's actually laying on my bed, part 1. J. Guys, did you hear that? What was that? What is that noise? Surprise! Yeah. So this is actually you wanna make the title
a surprise.
Surprise! So oh yeah, we got our stuffed animals back, so I'm gonna name all of them. So this is Lighter, he likes to eat dog food. This is Bubbles, he likes to eat candy. That's Bubbles. And this is Ori, he likes he likes to eat Oreos. This is Brownie, he likes to eat brownies. This is Lolly, he likes to eat lollipops. And yeah, I got a bracelet. It says jaywalk. I don't want to do a jaywalk. What is he doing?
I forgot my bracelet.
So you guys should, if you guys watch the hide and go seek and the
This is so
Minecraft videos and any kind, just look all of them, and then you guys should remember these guys.
And guess what? We have a TV right there.
Yep. No, we're not.
Ow.
And what else? My brother had today and yesterday a lot of coins, and we might do a. Oh yeah, guess how much coins he had? So between 200,000 and 100,000. If you guys guess it right, comment down below. You guys, if we will give away this guy. Well,
You just have to say how much coins I have.
yeah. But do we remember? I remember. Okay, we have this guy here.
And
So-
someone with my coins.
So,
so many like 6.
guys, if you think it's some more, just do 200,000 plus if you think it's more. Or 200. Wait, actually don't.
Or 100,000 less, but it's not that.
So, yeah, this is a pretty short video.
It's like a regular vlog.
Yeah, it's winter break right now.
We like it, and we like it.
And we like it.
And this guy, we might give away him if we know how to give away.
Tell us, like, you other famous YouTubers, please, if you're watching this, tell us how to give away.
And thanks for the 15 subscribers. You know what's weird? If you want to have like a lot of subscribers, you don't need to do gaming, like a good like view of gaming. But how would we do that?
And
We
you,
need like a GoPro. Something like that.
yeah, and you guys, you other famous YouTubers, please tell us how to give away. And wait, actually no, I was thinking about an idea, but it's a bad idea.
What?
Having our own website about to make like giveaways, kind of like
What? No.
shows. I know that's a bad idea,
No.
but please,
Like dead
you other guys, yeah, like you other famous YouTubers, please, if you're watching this, tell us how to give away. Please.
Just play. And subscribe and do the notification. And bye guys. Peace.
Peace.
No, don't do it.
Oh.
Did I got you?
Yeah. Okay, comment down below if that got you guys. Got me. Oh yeah, and we got a new Lego set.
Huh?
So a little one.
No.
Yeah.
I got a huge one.
Oh yeah, right. We got a huge one. Yeah, we didn't.
We might
This
do
is the new
we
one.
might do another video today. I don't really know.
It's this one. It's really small.
You can mine.
I bought it at Target.
break it.
And thanks for the. Did I say 15 subscribers? Mm.
next video, we're gonna do a secret code.
Of what?
You know, like you see, like if my dog wasn't here,
Mm-hmm.
the secret code would have been this if they saw this. You know, like secret codes are like something like we hide something. They're trying to find it in the video.
So you're saying like pretend your dog.
Was like hiding somewhere, and if they find it, they got the secret code. And you guys trying to find it. It's gonna be next video.
So yeah, like
Yeah, we're gonna end the video here.
it's a really short video. Sorry
don't
about
care.
that. Sorry, we didn't make a all long video.
And like, subscribe, and comment what should we do next.
And wait, we actually might do another gaming video of Rocket League. We actually have it now.
But I don't think so.
Okay, so
It's like now boring to do gaming videos for some reason.
yeah, like and subscribe, leave the notifications, and
Comment what should we do next. And
bye guys. Peace. Peace.
peace.
Peace. Just peace. Okay, bye.